Shamata. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know that the true nature cannot be hidden for long. Once upon a time, there lived a jackal who strayed into a city in search of food. He was hungry and was being chased by a group of dogs. He accidentally entered the house of a dyer and fell into a vat of indigo and was stained blue from head to toe. When he escaped from the house back into the forest, all animals were surprised at his appearance and could not place its identity. Taking advantage of the situation, the jackal decided to play the situation to his advantage. He proclaimed that he was fierce owl sent by the king of gods Indra to earth to guard the forest. The gullible animals believed the jackal. The jackal then appointed the lion as his prime minister, tiger as his guardian of the bedchamber, and the elephant was made the doorkeeper. He then drove all the jackals out of sight from the forest for fear of being recognized. The animals would hunt food and bring it to the self proclaimed king, and the king would distribute the food to all equally, just as a king would do. So he was leading a life of luxury. But one day, something unpredicted happened. The band pack of jackals was walking around just outside the forest and howled collectively loudly. Unable to control his natural instinct, Fierce Owl showed his natural voice and howled at the top of his voice. The other animals were present when it took place and looked at him incredulously. Here was their mighty blue king howling like a jackal. So he was a jackal after all and not an unusual animal sent from paradise. He had simply colored himself somehow and had been fooling all of them these days, fooling the Lion King, the tough tiger, and powerful elephant. They were not going to be tricked any more. They felt upon the blue jackal and destroyed him before he could clarify or even protest. And that was the end of the blue jackal's rule as king. Children, the true nature cannot be hidden for long. A person of good quality will radiate confidence wherever they go. There are some things that people do unknowingly that give away their nature. Those who leave their kind will not be able to live happily. Children, people who are greedy can never be happy in their life because greed can never be satisfied. It is something which has no limit. Greed can make people do even things which are likely to be impossible. It can destroy our lives. Greed is an extreme or excessive desire for resources. Excessive is processing something to such a degree it's harmful. A person dominated by greed will often ignore the harm their actions can cause. Think before you act. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.